Hey friends, welcome back to another Ipsy unboxing. This month we are unboxing the Ipsy March Glam Bag and Boxycharm. I literally just came back from vacation and I had food poisoning for the past 3 days and it was absolutely terrible, but this morning I opened my door to receive my Ipsy and I was so excited. I just had to get myself together and get this unboxing done for you guys. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. Also, if you haven't yet already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And we're gonna dive into this one first. So our theme this month is Rewrite the Rules. So this is with Women's History Month. And starting this month, Ipsy is going to be having their puffy mystery bags. They look really cute. These limited edition puffer bags are gonna go pretty fast, so you guys wanna mark your calendars for the 25th through the 27th, and then April's mega drop shop is coming the April 15th through the 28th. So you guys wanna save those dates down. And we have, whoops, sent another little paper there. We have our little glam bag here. It's very artistic looking. I love the little zipper pouch here. So cute. The colors are very pretty. I really like this, guys. The back of it. And I just love the little zipper part. So our first product here, super in love. This is my favorite Tatcha product ever. I haven't tried like all of Tatcha products, but I have tried this and I seriously love it. So I'm very excited for this product in particular. This is their Dewy Skin Cream. It's made for dry skin, which I struggle with, especially during the winter months. And it smells so good. It's the perfect little traveling moisturizer. Ipsy, you're already off to a great start this month. Next up, we have a Tea Time Apple Matcha Tea Cleansing Toner. I'm not sure if that's showing up in the camera here, but it looks like if you shake it up, that's how you get it mixed all together. So you guys want to make sure you mix this up. But I have to smell it because apple matcha sounds really good. So it kind of smells like what I just smelled, and I don't know if it's just because it's kind of strong, but it smells like the moisturizer. And next up we have Shades by Shan. Life of the Party. Sounds like it's gonna be a fun little eyeshadow palette. Let's see here. It's really cute packaging. I like it. And then it's just a cute little mini eyeshadow palette. The shades are really pretty. All right, next we have a lip liner. I love when I get a lip liner. I don't really have anything on my lips today. This is the So Sophisticated lip liner from Element Beauty. I'm gonna just test it here on my hand for you guys. It's a really pretty shade. I will definitely be putting this to use. And our last item in here is a setting spray. It's Coconut Mango by Beauty Creation. I'm gonna give this a try. If you've seen my videos before, you know how I am about a setting spray. I'm very, very picky. It smells kind of good. Let me see. But it's just, I don't know, guys. I don't know if this is for me. It is cruelty free. I'm just gonna give it a go. I'm just gonna try it on my skin. I don't know it, guys. It reminds me of like something that I like would put on as like a kid, like Toxic. I don't know. I just don't know if it's for me. The sprayer though, I'll give them that. The sprayer is really nice. It doesn't like throw too much on your face at once, so that's pretty good. Now we're gonna jump into the fun box here. We have our Boxycharm always send like a cute little ad, like almost like a little newspaper kind of thing in the box. So this is really cute. Since this month's theme is rewrite the rules, it says, wear too much blush, make the first move, get a mismatched mani. This month, march to your own beauty beat with botanical skincare, must-have makeup, and a nature-inspired palette from women-led brands who inspire us to rewrite the rules every day. Inside we have the power picks for this month. And I'm actually a huge fan of all these brands in here. Wander Beauty, Yenza, Glow Recipe, Elementis, Anastasia Beverly Hills. So many good brands in here. I'm excited to see what's inside. All right, guys, we have some goodies in here. I'm just gonna reach for the first one I saw, and this is Dew of the Gods. This is their Alchemy Gold Heaven Grade Hair Serum. I am so excited. I've been wanting to get my hands on this stuff. Perfect for traveling too, because it's a 1.01 fluid ounces, so good for the flight. And I'm just so excited to give this a try. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up just because I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So here we go. This is the little hair serum bottle. It's in a glass bottle. Feels very luxurious. I forget what they call these, but just to get the right amount of oil in your hair, olive and argan oil, and of course I have to smell it. Oh my gosh, guys, it's perfect. This might be my favorite thing this month. All right, next up we have a lip butter from TYS Beauty, and it's the shade Jelly. Oh, it's such a pretty pink. You guys, it literally smells like icing. It's literally like cupcake icing. I don't know if it's like clear or if it has like a little bit of pink shade to it. I can't really see from back here, but this is it. All right, our next product here is from Girlactic. This is a fruit superfood sugar face scrub. It has avocado oil, cucumber, blueberry, and strawberry extracts. Oh, this bottle is so cute, guys. Look how cute. I think the packaging is so darling. All right, I'm gonna open this up because, I mean, do I have to say it? It kind of smells like fresh fruit, just like I'm at the market picking up fresh fruit. I'm excited to try this. I've tried, oh my goodness, I cannot remember the name of this scrub, but it was from Girlactic, and it was in something pink, so I mean, I don't think it's the same thing, but if it is, then I love it. But I'm excited to try this if not. All right, we got two more things left. We have the Wander Beauty Trailblazer eyeshadow palette. I have been such a longtime fan of Wander Beauty, so I'm really happy to receive this in my Ipsy this month. I just love the formulation of their products, and I love the packaging all the time. This is so pretty. It's so pretty, guys. I'm happy to do swatches over on Instagram as well if you guys would like. Just let me know in the comments below. And last but not least, we have Elementis. This is their Peptide 4 Eye Recovery Cream. I honestly have so many eye creams because I just cannot find one that I really like. We're gonna give this one a try. I'm gonna really give this one a try for like a month and see if I see a difference or if I notice anything. But I really love their products. And that is all for today's unboxing. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you're most excited for and if you're excited to receive your Ipsy box. I am so, so grateful to Ipsy for sending me this monthly box. It feels like Christmas every month, and I'm so, so grateful. So thank you, Ipsy, for sending this box my way, and thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Please hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. Thanks, bye!